Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to cover two things. The second thing is about I don't have any experience and so how will I get a job without an experience in AI? That's a second question which I'm going to cover in a minute. But before that, I'll give you first, which I mentioned yesterday as well, that this week we are happening three sessions. One is happening today, which is Saturday. Second is happening on Sunday tomorrow. So today's session, we are going to talk all about agentic AI agent patterns, and the roadmap. So that's today. Tomorrow, we are talking everything about project manager, program managers into AI. So those who are working as a project manager, program manager, would like to work, but into AI project management, managing AI projects or leveraging tools and services of AI in their day-to-day project management, but more important, AI-based project that's happening tomorrow. And then Tuesday, we are doing all about AI, machine learning, agentic AI, generative AI on including deployment on AWS Cloud, Azure Cloud, or the cloud providers, a three-step framework. So those three link will be below this video, which I'll be sharing. But the most important question which got last time, and I get repetitively that, hey, I don't have any experience. And companies are hiring for experienced professional. So how will I get an experience without a job, or how will I get a job if I don't have any experience, and vice versa? It's a chicken egg situation. Now for that, that's why any learning you do, any implementation you do, or anything that you do, I always recommend you to do implementation-based learning, which means you actually implement. There are a lot of projects, real-time projects, which are available on the market right now related to agentic AI, generative AI, or machine learning AI, and so on, that you can implement. In fact, if you go over our YouTube channel, my YouTube channel, that's where you will see a lot of projects that we have shared with you so that you can go and implement. So what you should be doing is, as soon as you go to a job description, you see the job description, check related to the job description what projects you can do, and there are a lot available on the market. But as I said, on the free YouTube channel you can see, or come and speak to our team, they will help you on those. So implement projects related to what's being asked in the job, also specific to industry. So if you're going for banking, telecom, healthcare, implement those projects, and then write in your resume. Maybe write first, apply, but then parallel while you're waiting for the interview, go and implement that. You can implement in day 2, 3 days as well. These days are especially agentic AI based projects and end-to-end projects you can deploy, and that's what you can write in your resume. Another second tip I'll do is then as soon as you do, you may or may not be able to clear that particular interview because you've just learned a new topic, but you will see similar projects or similar basically kind of project being asked repetitively in different job roles or different jobs. So as soon as you do the implementing project, then go and update your LinkedIn profile and do it regularly. These different things, whatever you've learned on that project, write down as an authority that you're already doing. And then when you do it a number of times, these repetitively, you'll start seeing the results and gains. That's what pretty much all the successful guys in the and those who work with us, with me, have done, achieved the same manner. And trust me, it works. It has worked for me. And last 25 years, I upgrade my job or change and work as a freelancer with multiple companies. And it has worked for me and will work for you as well. 100% confident if you follow that. Do let me know if you have any questions or any other question, any question on follow-up question on this, or any other questions like that you might have, or any tips, and we can give you even links on what projects you should be doing based on the job description as well. So do let me know. And don't forget to join today's session, which is happening today, 3 p.m. UK time. And change accordingly in US, UK, or other time zones. Tomorrow for project manager, program managers, and on Tuesday, everything about three-step framework that we cover. So leave a comment below if you have any further questions. Otherwise, I'll see you soon in next 3-4 hours, I think it's 6 hours or so. Take care and bye for now.